Welcome to today's video. I'm going to show you how to get baseboards in Revit as well as crown molding, and the same method can also go for wainscoting. So first you're going to go to File, you're going to go to New, Family, and you're going to go to Profile here. And you're going to go to line. And if you're doing a baseboard, typically for residential, it's about 3 to 4 inches. For commercial, for vinyl, baseboards, it's usually 6 inches. So depending on your project, since it's just a house. So I usually like to go a little bit above 3 because it's going to curve down anyway. So you're basically going to be looking at the baseboard from a side view. So whatever type of curvature you want, that's what you're going to draw here. So I'm just going to go out about that much. And I'm going to go 3.5. And then you can, pick this curve tool. And you can curve it like so, however much you want. So you can do something like that. Or create line. I'm going to go up to 4 again. 4 inches, and then I'm gonna do like this, and then I'm gonna go to 3 and 1/4, and you can do something like this where it goes inward and then it goes out again like that. So whatever type of, and you can make this dip bigger as well, just whatever type of profile you want, that's what you're gonna draw. You're basically drawing a section view of the baseboard, and that's what you're going to draw, whatever type of profile you want. So I'm just going to make the curve bigger like so, but I don't want this to come at one point, so I'm going to click the fillet arc tool, and I'm going to make this a little rounder like so, and I'm going to do the same here like so. So it's more of a wave. And so that's what I'm going to go with. And I'm going to go to load into family and clothes. And you're going to click yes. And you're going to save it. You can save it as 4-inch wavy baseboard, whatever you want to do. Just save it and do that. And so then you're going to go back into your floor plan. Click the wall that you want it on. Click edit type. Go to preview here. Go to view and click section, and you're going to go to edit, and you're going to go to sweeps, and you're going to click load profile, and you're going to go find that baseboard profile that we just made and saved and named 4-inch baseboard, whatever you named it as, and wherever you saved it, you're going to go open that, and then you're going to click the profile. It should pop up right here. So this one I made here, I named it as basic sweep. So that's where it is. And then you're going to click the material. So you're going to open Revit's material library. You're going to click your material. The distance. So you probably change the distance if you do wainscoting. So if you want your wainscot to be 5 feet or in the middle of the wall, however tall, if it's 20 feet tall, you probably want your wainscot to be 10 feet or wherever, how high you want it. You would put that distance here. Since this is baseboard, we want it at the bottom. I'm not going to change the distance. So this is where you would differentiate crown molding and baseboards. So this is baseboard, so we keep it at the base. If this was crown molding, you click at the top. And then you just click the interior or exterior. And if it's the interior wall, make sure you press add 2 times so that you have the option to put the baseboard on the interior and exterior side of the interior wall. Anyways, you're going to click apply and OK. And your section should look like this. And you can zoom in to see that your baseboard has popped up. So now let's move into crown molding. So you're pretty much going to do the same thing. Open file, new, and then go to profile. So crown molding is the same but flipped over this line. So you're going to go to create, line and just create whatever type of crown molding profile that you want. So I'm just going to create a random design here. You can do whatever curvatures, whatever curves you want. Like something like that would be cool. And I'm just going to soften up these points. And since I already had a baseboard loaded in, you didn't get to see me actually load it in the profile, but I didn't have a crown molding, so you will get to see me actually load the crown molding in there and see it pop up in real time. So this is the profile that I'm gonna go with. So I'm gonna load. Actually, I'm not gonna close. I'm just gonna load into my project. And I'm gonna go click this wall. And I'm gonna go to edit type. It's already in the preview section mode. So I'm gonna go to edit. I'm gonna go to sweeps. I'm gonna add one to create a new line. And then I'm gonna go to, I didn't name the one that I just made, so it just automatically saved as family one. I'm gonna change, I don't really change the material. I'm not doing a render 3D view, but you would pick your material for renderings. And this is where I'm gonna change it to top and exterior, and I'm gonna add another line to do the interior, top, interior, and I'm gonna click apply, and then you're gonna click OK, and you're gonna zoom in, and as you can see, my crown molding profile is there. So let's go look at this in a 3D view. Apply OK, and go to my 3D view, and as you can see, my crown molding is here. There you have it. That is how you create crown molding and baseboards, and this same application will apply for wainscoting. You don't need to move this down. All you do is when you add your sweep, click the distance that you want it to be at, and it will pop to that distance. So there you have it. That is how you create baseboards and crown molding and wainscoting in Revit. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, please. Check out my website. Leave a comment down below of your thoughts or any questions you may have. And God bless.